Hey y'all, welcome back. Vince here. I got the perfect dish for your lazy Sunday afternoon. Whether you're cooking for yourself and meal prepping for the week, or you need to cook for a family of four, this is exactly what you need.
Today we're going to learn how to make an entire roasted chicken. This lemon garlic chicken is cheap, delicious, and filled with flavors we all know and love. Wine, garlic, and fresh herbs.
Friends, if you haven't already, I ask that you like this video, subscribe to the channel. I make new videos on Thursdays and on Sundays. So today, we're going to be making lemon garlic roasted chicken with some white wine, some fresh parsley, some garlic cloves, a little bit of a seasoning blend. This is going to take just a couple of minutes to prep, throw it in the oven, and oh, we got food for the week, baby. All right, y'all, I got a 5-pound bird here. You don't want something much bigger than that because once it gets bigger than that, it gets to be a little bit more difficult and longer to cook. You want to keep it around 4 or 5 pounds, and that's perfect. All right, so first things first, I'm going to make a little herb oil with just some fresh parsley and some olive oil. If you want to use other herbs like thyme, rosemary, go for it, but I'm keeping it extra simple today. So we got some regular old olive oil, and we got one bunch of parsley that we chopped up. So all I'm going to do here is take some fresh parsley and pour olive oil all over the top. After I cover the bowl completely, I'm going to grab a spoon. I'm going to mix it thoroughly. We're looking for a chimichurri-like consistency. This is going to give our chicken a whole new depth of flavor. All right, so we got our bird and we got our parsley olive oil mixture. And we're going to start to coat this bird with this parsley oil. And we got a whole lot of bird, so we're going to need a whole lot of goodness. Now that you got a good coat, you're going to grab a lemon wedge. I'm going to use half of a lemon here to start. And start to juice that sucker all over that bird. Next, we're going to hit it with a little bit of wine. I'm using Sauv Blanc, but use any white wine that you prefer. Don't smother in wine, but get a few healthy splashes in there. Next, we got a seasoning mix. It's got salt, it's got pepper, it's got red pepper, oregano, parsley, garlic powder. And we're going to start to hit the chicken with some of that beautiful seasoning. All right. And here's where, if you're a sane person, you grab some gloves, but we know that that ain't me. I like getting messy, so we're going to start to rub this in before we flip it over. We want to make sure to marinate our chicken all over. Get every nook and cranny. All right, y'all. Now that we got our bird seasoned all up, I got 5 cloves of garlic. And we're going to stuff a few right in that crevice. I'm going to do 3 in that hole. And then look, we got this little opening right here. We're also going to take a clove on each side of the breast and pop that sucker right in there. Tuck it in good. We're also going to make sure to get some of that beautiful parsley and oil and lemon and wine, and make sure that it gets in there too, because that's important too. We want to get it under the skin, so don't forget that. All right, finally, I'm going to take some lemon wedges and I'm going to stuff them in that crevice. So that lemon is going to radiate through the chicken and it's going to be absolutely beautiful. So we're going to give our chicken at least 30 minutes to marinate before we throw it in a cast iron pan. We're going to cook it at 425 until it reaches 165 degrees. And that's all it takes, guys. It's really as simple as that. And just like that, we have perfect roasted chicken. For me, I left this in the oven about 80 minutes, but you're really going to want to just check the temperature every so often. Throughout the cooking process, you're going to want to baste your meat with those beautiful juices that are in the pan, and make sure you don't get rid of that stuff. That is liquid gold. You can use it for rice, you can use it for vegetables, you can use it for potatoes, risotto, so whatever you do, don't be getting rid of that. We're going to let this chill out at least 10 minutes before we start slicing. I ain't even going to lie to you. This chicken's about ready for a photo shoot. Letting it rest is always the hardest part of the process. Just to show you how tender and delicious this chicken is, I want to show you something. Watch this. Look how that just broke right off. So This is going to be for me. Oh my God. The seasoning's perfect. It's moist. The lemon permeates the flavor of the chicken. The fat from the skin melts in your mouth. Just to show you exactly what I'm talking about, look at that. We're going to maybe dip a little bit in some of that pan juice. Oh my God. You know it's good when you don't even have to slice it. You can just pull it right off with your hands like that. Get a little bit of that pan juice. Oh. Cheers, guys. Oh man, that is rock star.
Thanks for watching. I hope to earn your subscription. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found value from it.